Welcome to the Remark Software YouTube channel. With Remark Office OMR, you can collect data and formulate reports as fast as your scanner can scan, saving you time while rapidly generating insights. In this demonstration, I will show you how to create this Likert scale using Microsoft Word that Remark will read perfectly every time. First, I'll insert my table. We'll create a 6x6 table so we can use our scale with 5 statements. Next, I'll label the answer choices in the top row of the table, ranging from strongly disagree to strongly agree. To keep everything in line, we'll center the labels and their choices in the cells. Now I'll create labels for our answer choices, 1 through 5. For these, I'll use the OMR bubble font that is installed in your Windows font directory with Remark Office OMR. Next, I'll enter the statements to be evaluated in the first column. To keep them lined up with our answer choices, we'll center them in the cell aligned to the left. Next, I'll adjust the height and width of the rows and columns under the Layout tab of the Table Tools to ensure sufficient space between bubbles. Ideally, you should have at least 3/8 of an inch between the bubbles and the text. Lastly, we want to remove all borders from the table. We'll do that by selecting the No Border option from the drop-down menu under Borders. Thank you for your interest in Remark software. For more information, to download a free demo, or to schedule a webinar, please visit remarksoftware.com.